Good morning students, how you all are? We are studying this time linear equation in one variable. Solving of equation you have already learned. Now what is there? You have to form an equation and solve. What is the next part? You have to form an equation and then you have to form. Solve. So the number, see page number 108, question number 1. The number decreased by 7 is 25. Find the number. So firstly I took the number to be as x. So according to question, number is decreasing by 7. So x minus 7 is equal to 25. So what will be your x is equal to? What it will be? 25 plus 7. So here x will be equal to 32. Okay? X will be equal to 32. Your answer is 32. Okay? You have to find the value of x after forming an equation. Now see the second question. The number increased by 10 is 16. The number increased. Here decrease is there, so I use minus sign, and now increased by 10. So means a number increased by 10. So means x plus 10 is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 minus 10. X is equal to 6. So what is given? A number is increasing by 10. So you will take number to be as x. Then according to question, x plus 10 is equal to 16. So what will be your here answer? X is equal to 16 minus 10. X will be equal to 6. Clear? Now see the third question. See the third question. The number is multiplied by 2 and 8. The number is multiplied by 2 and 8 is added to the product. The result is 50. Okay. We will again take let the number be x. You can take any value. It is not compulsory that you will take x only. You can take any variable. So you have taken let the number be x. A number is multiplied by 2. That means a number is multiplied by 2 means 2x plus and what is added to it? 8 is and answer is equal to 50. So what you will get? 2x is equal to 50 minus 8. So 2x is equal to 42 and x is equal to 42 by 2. X is equal to 21. Is it clear? A number is multiplied by 2 to means 2 into x and 8 is added to the product to plus 8 which is equal to 50. 2x will be equal to how much? 50 minus 8. 2x will be 42 and x will be 42 by 2. X is equal to 21. Correct? Now see question number 4. In question number 4, now I am changing the variable. Now take the variable be y. Means let the number be y. Just for your that you should not get confused. You can take any variable as I have said. Okay. So now what is there? The number is subtracted from 23. Means a number is subtracted from 23. So 23 minus y is equal to and the result is 10 less than twice the number. So 10 less than twice the number means twice the number is this and less than 10 means minus 10. So what is again you see a number is subtracted from 23 to 23 minus y and 2y minus 10. Twice a number less than 10. 2y minus 10. Now you have to solve the equation. So 23 plus 10 is equal to 2y plus y. Okay. So you will have this as 33 and this will have you 3y. So what will be your y is equal to 33 by 3. So y is equal to 11. So what will be your answer? y is equal to 11. See once more, 23 minus y is equal to 2y minus 10. 23 plus 10, 33, and 2y plus y, 3y. When you will divide 33 by 3, you will get y is equal to 11. What is the number here? 11. Correct? Now see question number 5. Two-thirds of a number. So 2/3 of y is increased by 9 and sum is equal to 19. 2/3 of a number increased by 9 means plus 9 and its sum is equal to 19. Now what you will get? 2 by 3 y is equal to 19 minus 9. So what you will have? 2 by 3 y is equal to 10. Okay? 2 by 3 y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 into 3 by 2. Now 2 5s are y is equal to 5 3s are 15. Okay? Clear? Now I am telling you 2/3 of a number increased by 9. So means 2 by 3 y plus 9 is equal to 19. Here you got. Now 19 and this I am taking on the right hand side. 19 minus 9, 10. So 2 by 3 y is equal to 10. What will be y is equal to 10 into 3 by 2. So 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. So what will be your y? Y will be equal to 15. Correct? Is it correct or not? Okay. Now let's move to question number 6. Now in question number 6, what is given? You just see this very carefully. I am taking let the number be y only. According to question, the sum of 1/8. So 1/8 of x plus 1 by 12, 1/8 of x, 1/12 and 1/28 part is 31. 1 by 8x, 1 by 12x plus 1 by 28x is equal to 31. Hello students, now we will continue question number 6 of exercise 6C. Till 5 we have done, and if you are having any doubt, you can ask your doubt. Let the number be x, then according to question, in question it is given the sum of 1/8, 1/12 and 1/28 part is 31. So 1/8 by x plus 1 by 12x plus 1 by 20x is equal to 31. What will be the LCM of 8, 12 and 20? If you find LCM, you will get it as 120. Now, you know 8 15s are. So here it will come 15x. 12 10s are. Here it will come 10x. 26 are. So here it will come 6x. And LCM is 120 upon 120 is equal to 31. Now you add 15 plus 10, 25 and 25 plus 6, 31. So 31x upon 120 is equal to 31. So x will be 31 into 120 upon 31. Now 31 and 31 will be cancelled out, and what you will get? X is equal to 120. What will be the value of x here? 120. Okay? What will be the value of x? 120. Clear? You have to see the question what is given and accordingly only you have to solve. It is given find the sum of 3 numbers. So in this way you will do to find the sum of 3 numbers. Okay. Now let's move to question number 7. Now see question number 7. Seema's little sister is now 5 years older. If her age is 2 years more than 1/4 of Seema's age. 2 years more than 1/4 of Seema's age. How old is Seema? So here let the number be x. So let the Seema's age be x. Seema's age be x. Now her sister age. Her sister age is equal to 1/4x plus 2 is equal to 5. It is given that Seema's little sister is 5 years old if her age is 2 years more than 1/4 of Seema's age. 1/4 of Seema's age is 1/4 of x, and more than 2 years, to plus 2 is equal to 5. Now you solve that equation. So you will have x plus 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20. So what will be your x is equal to 20 minus 8. So your x will be equal to 12. So what is Seema's age? Seema's age is 12 years. Okay. What is Seema's age? 12 years. See once more. Let the Seema's age be x. Okay. And according to question, her sister age will be how much? 1/4 of Seema's age plus 2 years more equal to 5. 1/4 of x plus 2 is equal to 5. What you will now solve the equation? So 4 2s are 8, x plus 8 is equal to 4 5s are 20. So x is equal to 20 minus 8. So x is equal to 12. So what is Seema's age here? 12 years. Okay? Correct? Now come to question number 8. One number is 9 more than the other. If their sum is 63, so let the number be x. What will be the other number? Other number will be equal to, it is 9 more than the other, na? X plus 9. What is their sum? X plus 9 is equal to 63, because sum of both the number is 63. So 2x is equal to 63 minus 9, and here 2x will be equal to 54, and x will be equal to 54 by 2, and x is equal to 27. What will be the value of x here? It will be equal to 27. Okay. What you will do? Let the number be x. What will be the other number according to question? X plus 9, and both their sum is equal to 63. X plus 9 is equal to 63. So what you will get? X plus x, 2x is equal to 63 minus 9, that is equal to 54. Or x is equal to 54 by 2, that is equal to 27. What is the value of x here? 27. Correct? Is it correct or not? Now come to question number 9. In question number 9, the sum of two numbers is 64 and the second number is 16 less than the first. The sum of two numbers is 64 and the second. So here you take, let the first number be x and other number is equal to 16 less than the first, x minus 16. Now sum of this two number is x plus x minus 16 is equal to 64. What you will have, 2x is equal to 64 plus 16. So 2x is equal to 80. X is equal to 80 by 2. X is equal to 40. So what is your answer? Find the numbers. So x is equal to 40 you got. Now, so the numbers are 40 and 40 minus 16, so that is 40 and 24. These two are the numbers which you have to get, 40 and 24. Okay? What? Now, 10th question. One number is 7 times other. If 14 is added to the sum of the numbers, the result is 38. Find the numbers. One number is 7 times another number. Let one number be x and other number will be 7x. Okay, it is written as 7 times. So 7 times means 7x. If 14 is added to the sum of the number, that means 14 is added. So it will become x plus 7x plus 14 is equal to 38. So what you will have? X plus 7x, 8x is equal to 38 minus 14. So x will be 38 minus 14, 24 upon 8. X is equal to 3. So here x is equal to 3. So one number is 3 and other is 3 into 7, that is equal to 21. So what are the two numbers? 3 and 21. Okay. Now let's once more. Let one number be x. So what will be the other number? 7x. Now you have to add both and 14 is also be added. X plus 7x plus 14 is equal to 38. So 8x will be 38 minus 14. So what will be your x is equal to 24 by 8 and x is equal to 3. When you get 1x equal to 3, so what will be the other x? 3 into 7, that is equal to 21. Correct? Is it correct or not? Okay students, now next part we will continue tomorrow. That much is for today. Thank you and have a good day. If you are having any confusion, you may clear your doubts by posting comment with question number. Okay, with question number you should paste. Don't simply write doubt. Okay, write which question or whichever thing you are not getting. Clear? Thank you and have a good day.